Okay, let's continue down. Start high, now come down lower and just cut the top of this in. Not touching the baseboard, I'm only touching the wall. Very important. Go over your work. Very good. Let's zoom up a little bit and see what we're actually doing here. So we start high, and then we go back and start going lower. See how it's right, not touching the baseboard at all, just the wall. All right, dunk your brush, start high. Now let's work it down lower. We're not touching the baseboard, all we're doing is touching the wall. All right, continue down. You can cut your reciprocal in. Go up, around, and up. It's not good to sweep down. We don't sweep it down because it drips. Okay, start high. Dunk your brush. All right, start over here. Now bring it down low. Go over your work. Go back over your work. There you go. Nice job. Okay, let's continue down. Start high. Now work your way down lower. You're only cutting in the wall, not touching the baseboard. Go over your work. All right, start high. And then we're going to work it down low. And we're going to cut it all in, just like that. Draw a straight line. Perfect.